Today we're going to attend the quiz of 7 December. So I've got two questions incorrect today. So let's analyze. The first question is about the equivalent exercise. It is an exercise which is held between India and Maldives. Basically focuses on the interoperability between the two forces. Okay. This exercise is being started from 2009. The second question talks about Chhatrapati Shivaji. I made it wrong. The answer would be Sakakarta and Haindava Dharmadhara are the titles given to Chhatrapati Shivaji. Okay. So all the three options which are given about Shivaji are incorrect. That is Battle of Singhagat fought between Mughal and Maratha Empire was the last battle fought by Shivaji. That is incorrect. Okay. The Treaty of Purandar was signed between Shivaji and Adil Shah of Bijapur. That is also incorrect. Okay. Option C is about Shivaji captured the Torna fort and Kondana fort from the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. It is only Kondana fort, not Torna fort. Okay. So in the second option you can see the Treaty of Purandar was signed between the Shivaji and Raja Jai Singh I. Okay. So it is not Shivaji and Adil Shah of Bijapur. Okay. The third question is about constitutional provision grants protection to persons who are arrested or detained. The answer will be option D, that is Article 22. We know this Article 22 is for preventive detention, and if a person is detained under any law, okay, and the person has to be produced before the magistrate between 24 hours. Then a special permission of the magistrate is needed for further extension of the detention. In certain cases, like if the person is convicted under UAPA, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, and such other acts, terrorist acts, or in Jammu Kashmir there is an act called Public Safety Act. So the person has to be detained maximum for 90 days. And if there is a need of extension of the detention, the person would be detained for maximum of 90 days more. That will be 90 plus 90, 180 days. This is the maximum period for which the person can be detained. Okay. So here question 4 says about the location of Black Sea. The first statement is the Black Sea is also connected to the Sea of Azov by Strait of Kerch. This statement is correct. The Dardanelles Bosphorus Marmara Sea forms a transitional zone between the Mediterranean and Black Sea. This is also correct. I thought Black Sea is not connected to the Sea of Azov. So that's why I marked option B, but that is wrong. So let's see the explanation. Here is the Sea of Azov we can see. Okay. And here is the Black Sea. Okay. By the Strait of Kerch here, Sea of Azov and Black Sea are connected. Okay. So these are the countries bordering Black Sea. I'll make a mnemonics of it. If you'll find it in internet, that is good. But I'll make a mnemonics of the countries bordering Black Sea. Next question is about B.R. Ambedkar, and he established the first statement. The first statement says he established a fortnightly newspaper, Muknai. That is right. He played a pivotal role in the Kalaram Temple movement. That is also right. He became Minister of Law in the first cabinet of India, independent India. That is also right. Okay. So as we know, B.R. Ambedkar is an important person with respect to the formation of the Indian Constitution, and he founded Bahishkrita Hitakarani Sabha in 1923. So he was basically a social reformer also for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and he led Mahat Satyagraha in March 1927. So he had a great part in Kalaram Temple movement in 1930. Okay, so he also participated in all three round table conferences. So in 1932 he also signed Pune Pact with Mahatma Gandhi, as Mahatma Gandhi had done fast for the inclusion of the scheduled caste in the under the Hindu category, and not creating a separate electorate for the scheduled caste. So that is regarding Pune Pact in 1932, when B.R. Ambedkar signed the pact that scheduled caste will be included in the Hindu category and they will not be given any special or separate electorate. Okay. So he's also the Minister of Law in the first cabinet of independent India. So all the statements are correct here. This is about today's quiz. You can attend. You can pause and attend.
Мог тебя взять, но ты не моя. Тогда тебе снова считать потери. Сумма